Jako akawuwo.
Where somebody say, yes, I lost the case, but no, that judicial officer was very fair. He gave me all the opportunities to present my case.
Omuwandiisi w'enkalakkalira mu Segeddamuzi Saranga Asiyo wano wasinzidde n'asaba abalamuzi bano abalayiziddwa okubeera abenkanya eri abantu be bagenda okuweereza n'okulwana okulaba nga batuukiriza emirimu egibaweereddwa.
Is to embrace service. That is S#1, service. Go and serve our people. They are the ones paying us. You hold power in their name. Go and serve our people. Number 2, go and be a servant. I don't think anyone has ever read of the word public bosses, have we? But we all read public servants. That is who you are.
Okutereeza erinnya ly'Essigeddamuzi eri abantu be bawangaala nabo naddala okulwanyisa enguzi nakyo akibakuutidde okukiteeka mu bwongo nga bakuba ebirayiro byabwe.
Now remember your KPI, one of them is saying you must ensure that you have improved the image of the judiciary where you're working. If you went and you put a score and it is at 90%, people are so dissatisfied, people are complaining, there is corruption here. We want when we come to evaluate you and we engage the stakeholders, they should be able to say.
Flaviani Njeyize atwala abalamuzi ba kkooti enkulu alabudde abalamuzi bano okukola nga tebeebalira wamu n'okuteeka mu nkola ekirayiro kye bakoze.
I commend you for availing yourselves to serve the judiciary and the people of Uganda in the delivery of justice. The oath that you have taken today is not simply ceremonial. The oath is a covenant to which you bind yourself by law and before God and man, that you shall perform as you have spoken.
Onakuutidde abalamuzi okwewala ebikolwa ebisiigesiga eddamuzi enziro ng'okulya enguzi n'ategeeza nti bo nga abakulembera abalamuzi bwe batajja kuttira ku liiso omulamuzi atyoboola kitiibwa kya Ssegaddamuzi.
That is, to deliver justice to all manner of people without fear or favor or ill will. I implore you to be true to your oath. Uphold the law and the judicial code of conduct. I'm sure those of you who have been in service, sometimes I have seen some of you who have been clerks. You see witnesses coming, takes the Bible, will tell the truth and nothing the truth, and he starts lying.
Richard Butera amyuka Ssaabalamuzi bw'abadde ayogerako eri abalamuzi abasabye okutwala ensonga y'okukuuma obudde ng'ekikulu wamu n'okuwa abantu ekitiibwa abo bagenda okukoleramu.
When you wake up in the morning, is that you have a sense of the justice you are going to deliver to the people. So as you report to your court, what are you carrying in your mind? What are you going to do? I think you should develop the sense that the people expect a responsible judicial officer to report and report in time. Probably that's where we begin. If people know that the court is supposed to begin at 9 and you report at 11, are you earning respect for yourself?
Ssaabalamuzi Alphonse Owinyeddolo akakasizza nga bagenda okukola ekisoboka okuyamba abalamuzi bano okusobola okutuukiriza obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe wabula n'abalabula ku mize egityoboola Essigeddamuzi.
If you keep the ethical rules, abide by them, abide by the judicial conduct. I've just asked the chief registrar, before you go to your stations, each one of you must be given the judicial code of conduct. And you read it the way you read the Bible every morning. And the Administration of Judiciary Act, Your Worship, yes, must know the Act. And each one of you should acquire a constitution. Each one of you should acquire. The Bible of the country, the legal Bible, is the Constitution. Then you have the Magistrates Courts Act and others and so on.
Ssaabalamuzi abalambulidde ensonga lwaki bakyagenda mu maaso n'okuyingiza abalamuzi abalala mu Ssigeddamuzi mwategeereza ng'abantu naddala mu byalo bwe balina okufuna obwenkanya bwe beetaaga awatali kulinda.
You are here to serve and you'll serve everywhere in this country. And be part of the transformation agenda. And be the reason why our mission to transform the judiciary of Uganda succeeds. And be part of the reason why the people of Uganda must tomorrow say, yes, now we feel there is justice. Now we feel in this country you can go to court and you are attended to.
Kanyike Kevinizi yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa ABS television.
Then I am assuring you, I am telling you, you too can rise to the zenith of judicial office, the pride of judicial office.